So we are solving question from GATE 2016 electronics branch. It was of 1 mark, so it is very easy question. So it says that propagation constant of a lossy transmission line is 2 plus J5. So the propagation constant of a lossy transmission line is given as 2 plus J5. So propagation constant is denoted by gamma and its formula is under root of R plus J omega L and G plus J omega C. And characteristic impedance of the same transmission line is given as 50 ohm. So the characteristic impedance is denoted by Z. So its formula is under root of R plus J omega L upon G plus J omega C. So propagation constant is given as 2 plus J5. And this characteristic impedance is given as 50 ohm. And omega is given as 10 to power 6 radians per second. So we have to find value of L, R, G and C. So this is very easy question. If we multiply gamma with Z, then we get, if we multiply gamma with Z, then when we multiply this G plus J omega C in the numerator and this G plus J omega C in the denominator will cancel. And we will get R plus J omega L. And this will be equal to 50 into 2 plus J5. 50 into 2 plus J5. So this will be equal to 100 plus J250. 100 plus J250. So R plus J omega L is equal to 100 plus 250. Now you can compare the real part and imaginary part. So if we compare the real part, then we get value of R is equal to 100. And if we compare the imaginary part, first we compare the real part. So R is equal to 100. If we compare the imaginary part, then omega L is equal to 250. And omega is given as 10 to power 6. So L is 250 upon 10 to power 6 or 250 microhenry. So if you check for these, these two values, R equal to 200 and L equal to 250 microhenry, then only one option satisfies, which is L equal to 250 microhenry, R is 100 ohm, C is 0.1 microfarad and G is 0.04. C is 0.1 and G is 0.04. So we don't even need to calculate for C and G. Just by calculating the value of R and L, we can check the correct option. This was an MCQ question. But if we want to solve it, then also we can solve it. Because if we do Y upon Z, if we do Y upon Z, then we will get G plus J omega C is equal to 2 plus J5 upon 50. 2 plus J5 upon 50. So this is equal to 2 upon 50 plus J5 upon 50. So this will give G equal to 0.04. Now again you need to just compare the real part and the imaginary part. Again, if we compare the imaginary part, then we get G equal to 0.04 Siemens per meter. And we get C is equal to 0.1 upon omega, which is equal to 0.1 microfarad per meter. 0.1 microfarad per meter. So these are the values of line constants. R is equal to 100 ohm per meter L is equal to 250 microhenry per meter, which we find earlier. So this R, L, G and C together are called as line constants. So we can easily find this. Just remember that propagation constant is given by under root of R plus j omega L, G plus j omega C, and characteristic impedance is given by under root of R plus j omega L upon G plus j omega C. So if we multiply it, then we get, if we multiply these two, then we will get value of R and L, and if we divide these two, then we will get the value of G and C. So please like and share the video and subscribe the channel, and if you have any doubt you can comment in the comment box. Also please share your feedback for our videos. Thank you and best of luck for exams.